Hello everybody, welcome back to Ajayastromoneyguru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on ever-evolving world of commodities. Today on 8th April 2024, we delve into the rice and sugar markets, exploring the recent shifts and what they mean for traders and consumers alike. So I, Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajayastromoneyguru and TusharGlobalServices.com, welcome all of you in this episode. So do watch this episode till end to not to miss any detail about this video. In this video, we will be giving our advanced analysis on rice and sugar. Firstly, let's start with the parboiled rice, a staple crop with significant global trade implications. In India, a major player in rice exports, prices have taken a dip, hitting their lowest since February. Factors such as sluggish demand and the weakening baht, that is the Thailand's currency in Thailand, have contributed to this downturn. The 5% broken parboiled variety from India is now quoted at around $540 to $548 per ton, reflecting a decline from the previous weeks. Furthermore, Indian exports are facing challenges with the customs department potentially impacting future shipments. However, amidst these challenges, there is hope. Lower prices have sparked interest from key buyers like Indonesia, hitting at a potential uptick in trade activities. Additionally, as major rice producing regions wrap up their harvest season, their anticipation of prices stabilizing or even rising. Shifting gears to the sugar, we observe the conclusion for the sugar cane crushing season in major regions like Pilibhit, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Despite a reduction in the number of mills in Maharashtra, sugarcane production remains significant. Thailand has also made headlines with sugar production surpassing earlier estimates for the year 2023-24 season, adding an interesting twist to global market dynamics. In conclusion, the rice and sugar markets point a picture of complexity and resilience, and there are signs for positive momentum. In the month of April 2024, and cautious optimism prevails with expectations of stabilizing prices and continued trade activities. So in conclusion, as per our analysis, there are signs of and there are expectations of positive momentum in the prices of rice and sugar. Remember, in these dynamic markets, adaptability and foresight are the keys. Stay tuned to Ajayastromoneyguru for more insights and updates on commodities that matter. Until next time, happy trading. Also, go through our standard disclaimer also before taking any decision. Thank you and good day.